You already know what it is, man. It's your boy Dwight Manuel, man, bringing y'all another unboxing. You know what it is, man. I got the Jordan 1, man, the Court Purple 2.0. So, you know, let's get to it, man. You know, my videos are definitely going to get better, man, by the way. So, y'all just bear with me. You know, I'm going to have the on-foot reviews, all that stuff, man. It's gonna be great. I actually know better. I'm doing this off the iPhone, so I'm going to be able to look back at these videos and be like, man, I was forcing it. But you already know what it is, man. Just work with me. I actually went to school for feminine directing, by the way. But, yeah, we're going to get to it, man. Let's go. Of course, the box. You already know. The typical. Ooh, this is my first time actually seeing these, too. Ooh, they kind of saucy. These kind of saucy. I ain't gonna front. Real talk, I like them. I was kind of on the edge about them. I like these though. I definitely like these. These are hot. Yeah. The pictures online made them look way brighter. That's why I was kind of like, I don't know. You know, I ain't with the whole purple thing, but you know, my high school colors was purple and gold, so you know that's why I'm a big Laker fan. I always was a Kobe fan. So these kind of hard, man. I ain't gonna even front. You know, you got the dark purple, you got the black shoestrings right here. You got these tie-dye laces right here. They pretty smooth. I don't think I'm not gonna wear these though. I'm not gonna even sit here in front. I'm not gonna do no lace swap either, but these kind of hard. Real talk, I'm feeling these. I'm definitely feeling these joints. They got the little leather tag on here, the embossed Nike Air right there, if y'all can see that. The black Nike sign. Let me see the quality. The quality of these hard. I actually like these. You know, got the Court Purple 2.0s. I wish I would have got the I'm a big Jordan 1 fan, and this stems from way in like '96 when I was a freshman in high school. You know, I was able to afford, you know, my favorite Jordan, which is the Jordan 1, the Breads. So I had got those, and yeah, I still like them. My Jordan 1 collection, it's okay, you know. I got a few Jordan 1s and stuff. But yeah, look at them joints. Them joints hard. You know, these hard. I'm gonna double back and do on-foot reviews. Wait, it look like you got a little mark right here, like somebody wore them already, a little scrape mark, but I don't be tripping about that. I'm not like how all them other YouTubers are with the oh, it got glue and all that. Like I really don't get off into all that. You know what I mean? But yeah, got the black top. Let's see. What else? It got to come with the black shoestrings, like I stated before, and the tie-dye joints. I think this for probably like a lot of females been getting into the Jordan 1s too, by the way. You know, so I think this is pretty much for, you know, either the young bulls, the younger crowd, because you know they get into all that stuff. You know, I'm not really into all that. I like my stuff plain Jane, but I'm really digging these, man. The Court Purples 2.0. You already know what it is, man. Y'all make sure y'all check in, man. Subscribe, drop a comment below. You know, start fucking with me, man. You know what I mean? I'm here, baby. I'm here, and I got more to come, baby. I got more to come. So y'all come mess with me. These are a 9.5. So you know, drop that joint in there. Drop that. You already know what it is. Holla at your boy, Dwight Manuel.